Hello students, we are going to have a wonderful session this year as long as everyone follows these simple rules. Be on time, don't be late. Join the class at least 5 minutes before the time. Find a quiet place to study. Mute your microphone when you are not speaking. Be polite. Show respect to the speaker by listening attentively and communicate politely. When speaking, say your name first so everyone in the classroom knows who is talking. Turn on your video so that the teacher can see what you're doing. Always wear decent attire when on a video conference. Check your internet, Wi-Fi or data connection, headset, microphone, and camera. Use the chat box if you have a question or concern to raise. Always ask permission to the speaker before you talk. Stay focused, avoid multitasking. Do not leave the conference room without permission. Refrain from eating. You have time for that. Just speak at the normal level. Do not shout. I hope you follow these rules. Enjoy learning.